Hey guys, it's Rolo here. Today we'll be looking at the Akko Rose Red linear switch. So this switch is compatible with most hot swap PCB mechanical keyboards, and it has an operating force of around 45 grams, which is pretty light, and so it'll be pretty easy to press down. And then the total travel distance is 3.5 millimeters, and the pre-travel is 1.9 millimeters. Since it is a linear switch, it doesn't have any tactility, and so there's no bump whenever you press down on it. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. So it comes in this pretty quality case with their little logo on it. And when we open it up, let's see. Okay, so it looks like we have 45 Akko Rose Red switches, and they give it in a little plastic tray, which is pretty convenient to stay organized. In order to install these switches, it's good to have a keycap puller and also a switch puller. It'll make things much easier. Okay, before you start taking off keys and taking off switches, it's important to make sure the keyboard's off. Alright, to start off, we gotta take off all the keycaps, so let's roll a time lapse. Okay, now that all the keycaps are off, we're gonna go ahead and take off the brown tactile switches, which calls for another time lapse. Okay, now that we have all the tactile brown switches out, we can finally use the rose red switches. But first we're going to do a sound comparison between the rose red and the tactile browns. With that done, all we need to do is put on the new switches and put back the keycaps. Alright, we're done. So the switches are on, the keycaps are on. After testing a couple of these keys, they feel really smooth, and they sound pretty good too. They got a little bit of that thunk. Okay, so I think we'll just leave a quick typing test. Hope you enjoy.